Welcome to our Hamptons Style Decorating Guide. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the latest trends and tips for creating a beautiful and timeless Hamptons coastal style home. Whether you're a fan of coastal chic or minimalist elegance, we've got you covered with our expert advice and practical ideas. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired as we show you how to bring the charm and sophistication of Hamptons style decorating into your own home. The Hamptons style is a classic and timeless interior decor style that originated in the coastal region of the eastern end of Long Island, New York. It is characterized by a bright and light-filled space with a mix of classic, coastal, and modern elements. If you're looking to bring a touch of the Hamptons into your home decor, here are some guidelines and tips to get you started. First, it is essential to understand that a Hamptons-style decorating color scheme is based on a foundation of soft, neutral tones. Creams, whites, and grays are the primary colors used to set the overall look of the space. These colors provide the perfect backdrop for the rest of the design elements such as furniture, accessories, and art to be incorporated. In addition to the neutral foundation, Hamptons style design incorporates shades of blue throughout the space to evoke a coastal feel. This may include both light and dark blue, ranging from pale baby blue to aqua, navy, and indigo. Blues are extremely effective in adding a calming effect on a room, so consider using these colors strategically to achieve the perfect balance. Just like with blue, pale greens or muted sage provide the perfect beachside feel. Green is another color that is frequently incorporated into the Hamptons style design. Adding soft greens to your color scheme creates a natural element that exudes tranquility and warmth. A pop of a brighter green is also sometimes used to add a playful element to a Hamptons style design. While the neutral foundation and shades of blue and green play a significant role in creating a Hamptons-style design, accent colors can add an extra layer of visual interest and personality. These may include soft pinks, coral, or gold. These accent colors should be used sparingly and should complement the subdued, natural components of the Hamptons theme. Textured elements are vital to Hamptons style decorating. The texture adds interest, from knotted jute carpets to woven rattan baskets to linen drapes into knobby pillows. Rattan, natural wood, and textured woven fabrics are all great ways to bring texture to your space. One of the most critical features of the Hamptons style is its spaciousness and lightness. Interiors are often open and airy, allowing light to bounce off surfaces and give the space a bright and fresh feel. Large windows and French doors are usually installed to capture the surrounding landscape and maximize natural light. When choosing window treatments, designers prefer lightweight fabrics such as linen and cotton to maintain the airy feel. Weatherboard cladding is another widespread feature of the Hamptons style. It's a type of external covering made of overlapping boards that are nailed to the structure's exterior. The weatherboard is usually painted white or pale neutral color, creating a classic fresh look that is reminiscent of traditional American architecture. Gable roofs, also known as pitch roofs, are a popular feature of the Hamptons style. They consist of two sloping sides that meet at a central ridge, forming a triangular shape. Gable roofs work well with weatherboard cladding, allowing for proper ventilation and creating a sense of space. Shingle siding is another popular feature of the Hamptons style. It's a type of exterior cladding made of wooden shingles that overlap each other vertically. The shingle siding is painted in muted shades, creating a cohesive look that is both sophisticated and relaxed. While Hamptons style decorating has a few standard elements, it is not a cookie-cutter style that can be replicated easily. The classic Hamptons style is a traditional and quintessentially nautical design. The interior is mostly white or cream, with the use of wood, woven materials, and statement fixtures completing the look. The modern Hamptons style is a recent addition to this decor's family. It integrates contemporary design and architectural workings and removes much of the traditional art in furniture. The coastal Hamptons style incorporates playful design ideas and details like rattan baskets, seashells, and a vibrant mix of patterns and textures. It celebrates the relaxed and effortless vibe of the laid-back beach lifestyle. When it comes to selecting the right kind of flooring for your Hamptons-style home, there is no shortage of choices. Vinyl planks give off an air of lavishness while maintaining a beachy vibe. Floorboards made from timber is ideal as they offer durability and flexibility. Look out for light shades featuring gray undertones, weathered timber boards, and whitewashed or even painted boards that complement the Hamptons look perfectly. Wider planks lend themselves more to the traditional side, while narrow planks have a more modern feel. Although lighter flooring encompasses most Hamptons-style homes, dark palettes can also be used if you make sure they contrast with the surroundings. Carefully sanded and stained dark brown timbers alongside whitewashed pine-style finishes look great and give off a luxe vibe. Herringbone and chevron designs add a distinctive element when contemplating flooring options for your space. Limestone floors look beautiful both indoors and outdoors due to their natural beauty and rough edges, while unpolished or finished stone will create a classic effect that wonderfully complements your Hamptons-style home. When it comes to furniture and layout, Hamptons-style decorating emphasizes large and oversized pieces. Think of comfortable sofas and chairs with deep cushions perfect for lounging and relaxation. Using slipcovers can also help to create a casual and relaxed feel in your home. With slip covers, you can easily change up the look of your furniture and give your home a fresh new look. The placement of furniture is also important. To create an open and airy feel, consider placing furniture away from the walls and creating conversational areas. This allows for a sense of flow and creates a more welcoming environment. Lighting plays a crucial role in any design, but it's particularly important for Hamptons Style decorating. Maximizing natural light is key, so keep windows clear of obstructions and opt for sheer curtains. Using metallic accents is another way to create warm light in the space, and selecting shades that work against the light creates a wonderful visual ambiance. With the help of neutral-based fixtures crafted from black metal, chrome, glass, and more, you can achieve a luxurious aesthetic. Incorporate lanterns or industrial-style shades for a high-end feel. Oversized ceiling lighting is ideal. Think pendants and chandeliers. Table lamps are also preferred options, typically seen in pairs, providing a classic symmetrical balance to a room. When deliberating over the right form of illumination for Hamptons-style homes, it's important to remember all of your options. When implementing the modern Hamptons-style decorating school of thought, black lighting fixture designs can be used throughout the space, thus creating a contemporary vibe. Textiles and accessories are the finishing touches that tie everything together. Layering soft textiles such as throw blankets and pillows can create a sense of warmth and comfort in your home. Bring a hint of glamour to your home with Hamptons-style blue and white ginger jars and temple jars. This timeless look will easily lay the foundation for an elegant atmosphere. Incorporating coastal-inspired accessories such as artwork or throw pillows can also help to create a cohesive coastal theme. When it comes to window treatments, keep them simple and elegant. Opt for plantation shutters or Roman shades instead of heavy drapes, and embrace light and breezy fabrics. Martha Stewart is a well-known television personality and a lifestyle guru offering advice on cooking, decorating, and home improvement. Stewart's influence on the Hamptons style can be seen through her use of muted shades, natural materials, and her love for open living spaces. When it comes to the Hamptons style, one iconic name comes to mind: Erin Lauder, the granddaughter of the cosmetic pioneer Estee Lauder. Erin has made it clear that the Hamptons style is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle. Her love for the timeless design has informed the intricate details of her collection of home accessories and beauty products. Creating a Hampton-style coastal home is all about creating a comfortable and relaxed atmosphere that embraces natural elements in the coastal lifestyle. With a neutral color palette, natural materials, oversized furniture, and plenty of natural lighting, you can easily achieve a sophisticated and timeless coastal home. Remember, while the Hampton style provides a great foundation, don't be afraid to add your own personal touches to make your home truly unique and reflective of your style. We hope you found this Hamptons Style Decorating how-to guide helpful and inspiring. Thank you for tuning in. Watch this next video for even more inspiration. And remember to live life fabulously.